Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So NEET PG counseling doesn't get started without any delay or postponement. So as I have been talking in the video that I posted in the morning before MCC publishes brochure, the video I clearly mentioned that logically it doesn't seem possible that the counseling will start on the 1st of September, but then Supreme Court told that the counseling can't be delayed further, but ultimately the notice is in front of you, okay, and it says that the counseling is postponed up to 15th of September, and the reason is NMC is in the process of issuing new LOP. LOP stands for Letter of Permission for the current academic year for the approval of new seats. Okay, and the tentative schedule of NEET PG counseling is rescheduled, and that's why it was tentative. Okay, and the candidates are advised to keep in touch with MCC. Okay, so EWS was pending, NMC was pending. Somehow, by forcefully, they released the bulletin. Okay, and there was nothing new compared to last year. Okay, and see that's what happens when you don't keep proper gap between two sessions. The counseling got over last year 2021, and within 2 weeks they conducted the examination, and then result got published well ahead of time, but the counseling didn't start. Still it's not in a stage of starting. Region is very clear the processing that is required, and or you can say in other words, the minimum amount of gap required between conduction of two counselings, because it has to go through process of approving new seats, and there is manual process involved. No matter how much we develop in the world of computer, inspection need to be done through naked eyes. Okay, the doctors need and inspectors need to visit there in the medical colleges, so inspection is just still pending. Okay, that's why the new LOPs for new seats which are supposed to be added has to be issued from NMC. Okay, so NMC was not in the stage of starting the counseling. That's why MCC brochure was pending, seat matrix was pending, but somehow, due to some panic, MCC released the bulletin, which was not supposed to be released, because now they say on 15th. So what about any changes they're gonna do in next 15 days? They need to republish the uh, bulletin. Okay, so due to all these reasons, somehow the government is not able to cope up with all the workload within the given time. So it has been rescheduled. So 15 days more. Okay. So government and Supreme Court, all the bodies need to think about it, like why the candidate need to suffer every year, waiting without any productive result. Suppose instead of asking candidate to wait for 2 3 months, okay, it's lost to country, because doctors are like very variable resources of the countries, and they actually save lives, and they are sitting at home, okay, or outing somewhere chilling out. Why? Because they don't want. It's because the counseling is getting delayed, so it's lost to country. We need to understand as citizen of India. So somewhere few people who are in government are responsible for it. Okay, and they need to understand that country is uh, going through this loss, and every person. Okay, suppose what would happen if it was pandemic, corona pandemic period. Okay, you were in very hard need of doctors. uh, we are giving like continuous duties to interns also, to who passed out MBBS, but now we are not respecting them, and we are letting we are keeping them on the least priority. and let them allow to wait until we complete our job. Okay, so the system need to be changed. Okay, that's what I can say. You can put your views. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.